Hey y'all, Sam here. I hope that you're having a fantastic day. I just received my second Ipsy bag, so now it's time to do Ipsy versus Ipsy. Woo woo. So my first Ipsy bag I've had for a long time, so it always comes first for some reason. Maybe it's based on how long I've had that subscription. And then my second bag I've had for probably, I don't know, 6 months maybe or so now. And that one, I don't do any reviews or give any feedback, so it's just a basic profile just to see if I can get different products and how different those products are. This is the bag for the month of May, and I do think it's really cute. It looks like a coral kind of color and a soft yellow. I don't know why, but these colors make me think of that zebra gum. If you guys grew up in the 90s, you have to remember this zebra gum. It was like different stripes of different colors. And for some reason, this is exactly what this bag reminds me of. I don't know. I'm crazy. I'm weird. So my first bag, like I said, I received it actually like almost 2 weeks ago. So I have tried out a few of these products and I'll tell you about what I think of them as we unbag them. So the first item in this bag is this nail polish from ADESSE, New York. This nail polish is like a pretty light blue, kind of periwinkle color. I did paint my nails with it just so you guys could see it on. I actually really like the color. I think it's really cute. It's a great summer, spring type color. A full-size nail polish in a $10 bag. What? The next item in my bag is this JIVI Moisturizing Micro Aloe Lavender Face Cream. I'm assuming that's face cream. It says that they're passionate about their ingredients and making you feel great, and that you can actually eat this because it's all natural. This lotion does kind of have a green tint to it, if you see it there. Now, when you blend it out, the green does go away. I have used this on my face, and I actually really liked it. This cream does have a strong essential oil lavender smell to it, so if that's something you don't like, you might not like this cream. I actually really like the smell, and I think it's very calming. It also has avocado in it. That's probably what gives it that green color. But this leaves my skin feeling moisturized, as well as leaving my skin having like a matte finish. So I have used this a few times in the morning prior to applying my makeup, and I'm happy so far. So next I got 2 of these masks from PureHeals, and they are green tea pack mask. So I did try out the other mask already, and the pack on the inside is only filled up halfway. It's definitely enough to do your entire face. Maybe even 2 people if you do it at the same time, because you really can't seal this again. It has like chunks of green tea in it. It was a nice mask, however, it never really dried down, so maybe it's more of a moisturizer. My skin, it felt very fresh. However, it could just be coincidental, but the next day, I had a couple pimples that I didn't have the day before, so I'm not sure this is the right mask for me personally. The next item I got is a NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and I got the color Dhabi. I don't know why I'm having such a hard time saying Dhabi. So I'll go ahead and try it on so you guys can see it on me. So as you can see, the color is similar to my natural lip. I like that. It is very soft. However, I really like long wearing lipsticks, and this is not going to be long wearing for me. So the last item in my bag is this Tarte Smooth Operator Setting Powder. I was excited to receive this. I love setting powders, and I've never tried Tarte's. I still haven't tried it yet, but I'm sure I will very soon. Okay, so that wraps up bag 1. Let's roll into bag 2 and see what we got in that one. Really hoping I don't have a lot of duplicates. The bag's the same this month. There's no variation. Some months when there's variation, I get so excited because now I get 2 different bags. All right, so I do see a repeat item. We got another one of the Tarte Cosmetics setting powders. I'm not gonna complain though, because if I like it, hey. Next, I got an Air Repair Complexion Quenching Facial Mist. Wow, I don't know why that was such a tongue twister for me. Let's open this up so we can try it out and smell it. I always want to smell everything. Is anyone else like that? Like, you want to smell everything, and if it smells really good, you kind of want to taste it. Am I the only one? Hopefully I'm not. All right, let's try it out. Ooh. Okay, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, but my face is soaked. It's like it rained on me. I need to read more about this product and see if you're supposed to put it over makeup. Maybe it's one of those products that you put on your bare skin to moisturize it and refresh it. At least in this sprayer, I don't suggest spraying this on your full face of makeup. Next, I got a black eyeliner from Style Sepia. Oh, it's not black, actually, it's brown. It seems to be a decent eyeliner. However, it is plastic here, and you see this very, very little tip at the top. Since this is plastic, I do not think you can sharpen it. So I think all you have is literally the little tip at the top, which does not look like much product to me. I think you'll be able to try this out like maybe twice before it's gone. That's disappointing. Next, I got a brow pencil from Sugar and the color Taupe Tom. The color is Taupe Tom. I have seen someone else unbox this. I don't have a need for it right now, so I don't want to open it just to preserve it. But it's your typical, you know, taupe eyebrow pencil, and it does have a spoolie at the end. I'm sure I'll get around to using this, but I'm like obsessed with my IPSY Cosmetics one, and that's the one I use like every day. And then the last item in this bag is an OFRA Cosmetics lipstick, and this is called Zippy. This is called Ipsy Unzipped, and I'm guessing it's a collaboration with Ipsy for this color. It looks to be a very pretty mauve color, which is just up my alley. Yeah, that's really pretty. I like this color. And this one is a long wearing liquid lipstick, which is my favorite kind of lipstick. So I am sure I will get a lot of use out of this one. So I'm really happy I only got one duplicate product between the two bags this month. However, I have to say that I think I like my first bag better. You know, we got the mask, the unique moisturizer that you can eat, this beautiful nail polish, the powder, and something else. Didn't we get something else? And this liquid lipstick. So, what do you guys think? Do you think bag 1 was better or bag 2? Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so. And until next time, bye y'all.